Delhi is all set to get a new chief minister. A key Aam Aadmi Party meeting has begun at current Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's residence. The Aam Aadmi Party Legislative Party meeting will be taking place at 11 a.m. tomorrow. The Aam Aadmi Party Legislative Party will be finalizing the name of the next Chief Minister. Kejriwal will be meeting the Delhi Lieutenant Governor at 4:30 p.m. tomorrow. He's expected to resign as Chief Minister after meeting with the Lieutenant Governor. Ashutosh Mishra is live with me from outside Arvind Kejriwal's residence. Ashu, the Legislature Party meeting scheduled for tomorrow, after which a meeting between Arvind Kejriwal and the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi. Lots of names doing the rounds at this time, Ashu. Any word on who could be the next chief ministerial face?
Well, someone who works in the same style as of Arvind Kejriwal in terms of administratively, in terms of handling the bureaucracy, in terms of the governance and other several.
Yeah.
So there are few faces in the cabinet, and what we're hearing that someone from the cabinet will become the minister first, which is the chief minister of Delhi. And as I've been reporting since morning on India Today, that tomorrow itself, along with submitting his resignation, he will also submit the letter of support of the legislative party meet to the Lieutenant Governor, along with the name that who could be the chief minister of Delhi. So clearly the further process, because from acceptance of a resignation to appointing a new chief minister, the Delhi works in a different way than for a different state. Here, Lieutenant Governor will forward it to the Home Ministry. Home Ministry will send it to the President, and the President will accept the resignation, subsequently also appoint a new chief minister, and then the oath process takes. So clearly that takes nearly 48 to 72 hours. But what we have been knowing that tomorrow itself, because there will not be a further delay, just along with the resignation, he will submit the letter. But what it looks like, it could be a guess, but what I'm getting the signal from the party and the leadership, that it could be a woman who will be the chief minister of Delhi.
Oh, it could be a woman chief minister of Delhi. Very interesting. So that narrows it down quite significantly. Well, we'll wait to see what name is finally officially announced. But Ashu, thanks for throwing that nugget out for all of our viewers. Our political team, as always, on the ball on all the big developing stories of the moment. Kejriwal out. Who will be in as Delhi's new chief minister? Is it going to be Atishi, Saurabh Bharadwaj, Gopal Rai, Kailash Gehlot, someone else entirely? The Aam Aadmi Party netas do not even rule out Mrs. Kejriwal as Delhi's next chief minister. That's seeming quite unlikely. But can Kejriwal afford to get even more attention on this decision? Take a look at this report.
मैं सीएम की कुर्सी से इस्तीफा देने जा रहा हूं और मैं तब तक सीएम की कुर्सी पे नहीं बैठूंगा जब तक जनता अपना फैसला ना सुना दे.
Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal all set to quit his post in hours from now. And now the big question is, who in the Aam Aadmi Party will get the top job? Top Aam Aadmi Party netas and MLAs are holding crucial meet in the national capital to find Kejriwal's successor. While Kejriwal had set 2 days to name the new CM pick, Aam Aadmi Party set a 7-day timeline for vote.
इस्तीफा जैसे ही मंजूर होगा, उसके बाद विधायक दल की जो है बैठक होगी. विधायक दल अपना एक नेता चुनेंगे. जो नेता चुना जाएगा वो अपना स्टेक टू पावर, जो अपना क्लेम है, वो उपराज्यपाल के माध्यम से राष्ट्रपति को अपना क्लेम देंगे. क्योंकि कोई ऐसी दिक्कत नहीं है, हमारे 60 विधायक हैं, तो जाहिर सी बात है उनको बुलावा आएगा, और जब वो बुलावा आएगा तो फिर वो जो है अपनी शपथ लेंगे.
But who will replace Kejriwal as Delhi CM? The faces in focus are Atishi, Delhi minister who has rich governance experience and was chosen by Kejriwal to unfurl tricolour while he was in jail. Another potential name is Kailash Gehlot, Delhi minister who currently holds several top portfolios and is Kejriwal's trusted aide. Saurabh Bharadwaj is a 3-time MLA from Greater Kailash and holds portfolios such as vigilance and health. Minister Gopal Rai's name is also taking rounds as another contender for the CM's job. To add to the suspense, Aam Aadmi Party has not ruled out Kejriwal's wife Sunita for the top job. Sunita had led emotional fight for Kejriwal when he was behind bars.
So you're not ruling out Sunita Kejriwal. Basically, you're saying if the legislators decide that she should be CM, she's one of the candidates as well, whose candidature will be discussed.
Or I am saying exactly what I said 10 minutes ago, that the legislative party has not even met yet. Once the legislative party meets, then only any decision will be taken. And as soon as we take a decision, don't worry, Rahul, we will inform you also.
The BJP accused Kejriwal of trying to install a remote-controlled dummy CM.
आप नवंबर में चुनाव कराने की बात कर रहे हैं, आप तुरंत मंत्रिमंडल बर्खास्त कीजिए, तुरंत कीजिए और अक्टूबर में चुनाव कराइए। मैं अग्नि परीक्षा के लिए अरविंद केजरीवाल को चुनौती देता हूं। क्या मतलब है अग्नि परीक्षा का? अग्नि परीक्षा का मतलब है सत्य का सामना करना। तो आओ आपके घर से शुरू करते हैं, खोलिए अपने राजमहल के दरवाजे और पहली अग्नि परीक्षा ये दीजिए कि दिल्ली के हर आदमी को बुलाइए कि आइए मेरा घर देखिए, वो ऐशगाह देखिए, वो राजमहल देखिए जिसमें अरविंद केजरीवाल मैं रहता हूं। आप तो आम आदमी है ना।
Will Kejriwal's big gamble pay off in coming polls, or will liquor scam heat take fresh toll? With Amit Bharadwaj in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.